Hello, so we decided due to the recent heat wave here in Southern California that I'm going to make my favorite agua fresca, agua de Jamaica. We're going to make this quick and easy. All you're going to need is hibiscus, sugar, water, some type of jug, and ice. We're going to use 1 liter or 33 ounces of water and 1 cup of hibiscus flowers to start. You're also going to need an additional 2 liters of water or 66 ounces, some ice, 1 cup of sugar, and if you want to make it look pretty and taste a little better, you can also add mint as a garnish or inside the jug. The first thing you're going to want to do is pour 1 liter of water into a pot along with your hibiscus flowers. You're going to want to bring this to a simmer and then start a 5-minute timer. If you like yours a bit more tart, you can let this simmer for an additional 5 minutes. Once it's done simmering, you can let this sit off the heat for a couple minutes while you get your jug ready. You're going to strain the hibiscus water into your jug. You can throw away the flowers or you can put them inside, it's up to you. Once you strain your hibiscus, you're going to put in your sugar and mix it until it fully dissolves. Next, put in your ice. After your ice, you're going to put about 2 liters of water and stir. That's really all it takes to make agua de Jamaica. It's really quick and simple. This is my favorite agua fresca, so let me know what you guys think. Do you like agua de Jamaica? Or are you like Jennifer, who is team horchata? Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and also if you have another suggestion for agua fresca, let us know in the comments down below and we'll give it a shot.